Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Debarim, Deuteronomy Chapter 34. And Moshe went up from the plains of Moab to the mountain of Nebo, to the top of Pisgah, which is facing Yericho. Then Yehu showed him all the land of Gilead, as far as Dan, and all Naphtali, also the land of Ephraim and Manasseh, and all the land of Yehudah, until the western sea, and the south, and the plain of the valley of Yericho, the city of the palm trees, until Zoar. And Yehu said to him, This is the land which I swore to Abraham, to Yitzhak, and to Jacob, saying, I will give it to your seed. I have caused you to see it with your eyes, but you will not go over there. So Moshe, the servant of Yehu, died there, in the land of Moab, according to the word of Yehu. And he buried him in a valley of the land of Moab, in front of Beit Baor. However, no man knows his sepulchre to this day. Thus Moshe was 120 years old when he died. His eyes were not dim, nor his natural forces abated. Moreover, the children of Yeshariel wept for Moshe in the plains of Moab for 30 days. Then the days of mournful weeping ended for Moshe. And Yehoshua, the son of Nun, was full of the Ruach of wisdom, because Moshe had laid his hands upon him. Therefore the children of Yeshariel hearkened unto him, and did as Yehu commanded Moshe. However, another prophet like Moshe, who knows Yehu face to face, will not rise in Yeshariel, with all the signs and wonders that Yehu sent him to do in the land of Mitzrayim concerning Paro, and all his servants, and all his land, and all his mighty strength, and all the great terror that Moshe did in the eyes of all Yeshariel.